एवरीवन, वेलकम टू हाईटेक बिलसॉफ्ट्स यूट्यूब चैनल। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को जरूर प्रेस करें ताकि आपको हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन और अपडेट्स सबसे पहले मिले। क्या आपका बिलिंग सॉफ्टवेयर अभी भी मैनुअली बिल देता है कस्टमर्स को और फिर आपको एक एक करके व्हाट्सएप या ईमेल करना पड़ता है? In this video, we will learn how to set up emails in high-tech BillSoft billing software, so आप एक क्लिक में कस्टमर्स को डायरेक्टली इनवॉइसेस ईमेल कर सको। Watch the video till end so you don't miss any steps. For adding a Gmail account in the software, you need only two things. एक Gmail अकाउंट जिसे आप अपने सॉफ्टवेयर के साथ यूज करना चाहते हो, आपका हाईटेक बिलिंग सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल और ओपन। Step 1. Open Google Chrome and open the Gmail account which you want to connect. और वो Gmail account open करो जिसे आप सॉफ्टवेयर में ऐड करना चाहते हो। Step 2. Click on your profile photo at the right corner. Select the option of Manage your Google account. A new window will open and from tabs, select Security tab. Inside Security tab, scroll and look for two-step verification. If this is already on, आप सीधा step 4 पे skip कर सकते हैं. Else, we have to on two-step verification. Click on two-step verification to begin the setup. A new screen will open. Click Get Started or Continue to proceed. Google will ask for your phone number. Enter the number you want to use for verification. Google will send a verification code as a text message to that number. Check your phone, find the code and type it into the box on screen. Click Next. On the final screen, click Turn on. Two-step verification is now active on your account. Step 4. Now go back to your Google account and click on Security again. This time, look for a search bar at the top of the security page and type App Passwords. This option only appears when two-step verification is turned on. Click on App Passwords from the search results. You will see a screen that says App Passwords. A text box will appear. Type the name Hightech. Now click the Generate button. Google will generate a 16-character password. It will look something like this on your screen. This is the password we will use inside the high-tech billing software, not your regular Gmail password. Copy this password right now. Once you close the screen, Google will never show it again. After copying, click Done. Step 5. Now minimize Chrome and open your high-tech billing software. Inside the software, go to the Settings or Configuration section and look for the Email Setup option. Click on it to open the email configuration panel. From the email provider options, select Gmail. In the email address field, enter your Gmail ID, the same one we just set up app password for. In the password field, paste the app password जो आपने Google App Password से copy किया था. Please do not enter your Gmail password, वो work नहीं करेगा. Once done, details add हो जाएं. Click Save or Apply to confirm your settings. The email setup is now complete. अब टेस्ट करते हैं to see everything is working properly. अपना कोई भी ओल्ड बिल या इनवॉइस ओपन करिए सॉफ्टवेयर में एंड साइड बार में मेल ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करिए. एक स्मॉल विंडो शो होगी, उसमें कस्टमर का ईमेल एड्रेस ऐड करिए एंड क्लिक सेंड. फॉर टेस्टिंग, add your email address. Now check the inbox and there it is. The email has been received and the invoice is attached automatically as a PDF. The customer gets a clean, professional invoice directly in their inbox. No manual work needed from your end. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. If you have any questions about any of the steps, drop them in the comments below.